Hey everyone, do you know your MacBook is more intelligent than you think? In this video, I'll show you how to summarize text automatically on your MacBook using built-in tools. So let's dive in. Start by selecting or highlighting the portion of the text that you want to summarize. Then go to Safari over here and then go to Services and then go to Service Settings. After that, click on the text, go to the bottom and tick Summarize and then click Done. Close it. Again go to Safari. Now go to Services and here you can see Summarize. Click here. You can adjust the summary by this pointer. If you really found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.